this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this surprise frame card with the Sweet as a Peach bundle. When you open up the card, there's a surprise frame inside. So here is the Sweet as a Peach bundle. It's super cute. I love the peach stamps and the dies that cut them out. They are distinctive, so you have the highlights and shadowing and texture. So many cute little sentiments, and this little label cuts out the little ones. And this card is so fun. It's got such a fun surprise when you open it. So it's got this surprise framed image. I received a card from a customer, and it was a 5x7, a larger one. And it was this card. Not this exact card, but this type of card. And so I had to make one myself. So I sized it down to a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 one to fit inside an A2 card, an invitation size envelope. And I'm gonna show you how I did it. So I'm gonna put these aside. And of course the paper is part of the Sweet You're a Peach. It's on sale right now, along with all the other regular papers for 15% off. So instead of $11.50 US, they're $9.78. And it's got all these lovely watercolored images. The peaches, oh, I've been eating peaches all week. I just love peaches. Okay, so I started off with a piece of Pear Pizzazz, and it is 11 by 4 1/4, so normal. And I've scored it at 5 1/2. I've got a template, and it opens up too. So I've scored, you can see the scores kind of in there. So I've scored it at 5 1/2, and can't really see that, at 9 1/2. Okay, so 5 1/2 and 9 1/2. And then you have this second sheet of paper that you're going to use, and I've already cut the middle out of the designer series paper and cut the middle out of it using the hippo dies, because I love the labels in the hippo dies. There's so many fun labels, 3 sets of different labels, and this is my favorite one. I love this label. So I used this label die, the large one right there in the middle. And so this piece, let me just double check, is 5 by 4 1/4. And it's scored at 1/2 inch from the ends. And so I've folded both of those. And so then you have this piece of designer series paper that's 4, and let me double check this measurement too, by 3 1/4. Okay, so it's 4 inches wide by 3 1/4 tall, and you're going to adhere it to this piece and then cut it out. And then when we get to the part where we design the card, we're going to attach this to the top right here. And we're going to fold it over. So this is gonna line up with the top right here. And we're going to put adhesive right here. And then we're just gonna fold that closed. That's it. And that's what creates the inside, the surprise frame pop-up. But we're gonna add some designer series paper and a little piece of paper inside first. So let's go ahead and add our paper. So let's do the front. I've got this really pretty peach paper to add to the front here. Sticky. Okay, so that goes in the front, and then I have this little piece of 4 inches wide by 1 1/4 tall that I'm going to add to the bottom here, so I can decorate the bottom. And I've got some pale papaya ribbon, so pretty, that I'm gonna wrap around after I connect everything. And so now for inside, I have a piece of 4, let me get the measurement right, 4, and I'm pretty sure this is 3 1/4 again, piece of white cardstock. And I'm going to stamp Happy Birthday in Calypso Coral. So I've got the happy birthday. You can just stamp it right in the middle or towards the bottom or towards the top, wherever you want to stamp it. But I'm gonna wait to attach this depending on kind of where that gets attached. I think it should be here, but I'm just gonna wait. Just gonna wait and see. So I'm gonna keep that open because I'm gonna stamp Sweet as a Peach. This label is from the Tasteful label dies. I love those dies too. I love label dies. They're so fun. And I got a piece of something down here, so I'm just gonna see if the sand eraser will take this off. I don't know what it is. If it's a mark or something. Okay, so I'm gonna stamp Hope Your Day is as sweet as a peach. And do it over towards the right here because I'm gonna add a peach on the left. Okay. So not done with that yet. And then I need to do Hope Your Day in Early Espresso. Hope Your Day. I'm just gonna bring this down here so I can make sure I stamp it. I'm gonna maybe bring it over here. Oh, I already got ink on it, so hopefully that's good. Okay. All right, so we'll move this out of the way and then I'm gonna show you, I've already stamped and cut out all the pieces that I'm gonna need. I think I only need one of those. And I've already done the flowers. So I have my flowers. And I've got my peach. And I need 3 more peaches to go inside here for this. Okay, and so I'm gonna stamp a peach to show you how I stamped one. So I used Pale Papaya and Calypso Coral, and I stamped my peach in Pale Papaya. And then let me grab a scrap piece of paper. And I got a sponge dauber, just a little bit of Calypso Coral. And I'm just gonna daub some Calypso Coral kind of on the side and just kind of all around to make it look peachy. Peach keen. And then just stamp that. And then it's got like some texture on it. That one's not that great. I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna get some more Calypso going. There we go. See a little piece of fuzz. No. Okay. What can you do about the fuzz? When you get fuzz on there? Oh well, that's gonna be all Calypso now. Okay, let's see how this one turns out. It's gonna be very Calypso-y. Okay, that one's very Calypso-y, but it looks very peachy. So fun, and then you cut that out with the dies. And then you do that with the little peaches and the flowers, and then you stamp the tiny little flower inside the middle of the flowers. And then this you're gonna fit right in there. This is the same size as this piece. It's 4 by 3 3/4 there. And it's gonna be like our backdrop for the peaches. So all these are gonna go on dimensionals. So we'll start with the mini dimensionals. Hopefully this wire isn't in the way. And I think that's it for mini dimensionals. Maybe one more can fit right there. And then we need the regular dimensionals for these. All right, so, oh, one more. Let's go ahead and add this. And I'm just gonna kind of do it in the middle. And I'll add the little peaches. Kind of tuck them under that little stem there. Right there. And there, so cute. And then we'll just do the front real quick. And just add that right in the middle. Sorry to the peach we covered, but we're gonna add a peach right here. Yeah, right here. Pull this down so I can look, yep. Maybe I should have put that higher. Put a mini dimensional on this guy. And add this. We'll go this way. Okay, and now for the fun part, we're gonna add this. So I'm gonna put adhesive on this tab right here. And I'm just gonna add this. I'm gonna turn it around this way. It's just easier for me because I'm right-handed, and attach this to the top right here, like that. And then I'm going to fold it right at the top here and turn it back inside this way. And I'm going to put some adhesive. Well, first I'm gonna put some adhesive here. And then I'm gonna fold it back at the top here, which is like where the card ends on the top. Like that. There's something right there. Get that later. And then I'm just gonna fold the card, the back of the card, like that. Just gonna fold that closed. And that is what is gonna create the pop-up frame. The surprise pop-up frame, like that. So cool, yay. And then we just add our little happy birthday on here. So we can just add that down there. You can write a little message down there. Whoa, I'm putting it on backwards. You probably noticed that before I did. But I caught it before I stuck it down. And there's something right there. I don't know what that is. So I'm gonna grab my eraser somewhere. Here it is. And see if I can kind of get that off, whatever that is. Don't know if that's a mark or something. I won't worry about it. Okay, so the last step is to wrap this fun pale papaya ribbon around and then tie it in a knot. So right over left, let's see, maybe pull a little bit more this way, right over left, left over right. And then hold one side and pull the other side. You get this nice looking knot. That's not quite tight enough, so I'm going to do it again. And then I forgot to add those. I'll add those inside. I want this to be a little bit tighter. Okay, there we go. That is better. I kind of want it to be off to the side more, so I'm just gonna scooch that off to the side. And then, let's see, ribbon scissors, better, sharper scissors. And then I can put these inside here. So I'll start with the large one in the middle up here. And I'll do the small one side, the medium one on the other side. There we go. So there is our Sweet as a Peach surprise frame pop-up card. Isn't that fun? It is so much fun, and the recipient is going to love it. They're going to be so surprised, and there's so many fun things that you can do with this, so many ways that you can decorate the frame, and you can use different frames and put different things inside, different messages, different decorations. So I hope you make one. I hope you have fun with this. And as always, I'm offering a class when you purchase this Sweet as a Peach bundle. So go to my website and check out the cards that you'll get when you purchase the bundle. Use the current hostess code and email me and let me know that you would like the Sweet as a Peach card kit for free, and I will send it right out to you. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to check out all my other videos with the Artistically Inked bundle from the Expressions in Ink suite. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.